welcome to this video on how logarithms work. There are four things you need to know with logarithms. There's the three rules of logarithms, and then there's kind of another bit that isn't a rule but is quite useful to know. The first rule is that log A plus log B equals log AB. Then you need to know that log A minus log B equals log A over B. The final rule is that if you've got log m to the x, for example, it can be written as x log m. So now those are the three rules of logarithms, that log A plus log B equals log AB, log A minus log B equals log A over B, and log m to the power of x can be written as x log m. Now there is one other rule of logarithms which isn't a rule because there's only three rules, but it's also quite useful to know, and that is n equals ax, x equals log a n. Now this is quite useful for converting. So say if you know what your power is and you know what your value is, then you know what n is, but then you can work out what n is. But say you've got your a value and your n value, but you don't have your x value, then you can plug it in to the other formula and see what you get. Now then, I've got a question lined up so that we can really see what logs are about, and that is 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 equals 7. Now the first thing we do in this situation is we log it effectively, so we can say log 10 3 2x to the minus 5 equals log 10 7. So now we can do it. Now we can move the 2x plus 5 down, because that would follow the third law of logarithms, that we have basically an x power and we can move it to be in front. So that's 2x minus 5 log 10 3 equals log 10 7. We can rewrite this as, because it's as that, we can write it as 2x log 10 3 minus 5 log 10 3 equals log 10 7. Also, now that we've got it written as a 2x, we can put the we can bring it over both sides effectively, so we can write just that 2x log 10, I've written that wrong, sorry, 2x log 10 3 equals log 10 7 log 10 7 plus 5 log 10 3. Now remember, we want to actually find what the value of these are, but remember you've still got the 2x log 3, which can actually still be written as 2 log 10 3 plus x log 10 3, and that's that equals the log 10 7 plus 5 log 10 3. And then what you can do is, if you basically move everything around, then you've got x equals log 10 7 plus 5 log 10 3 minus 2 log 10 3 all over log 10 3. So now you can plug it into your calculator. Now that you've solved it, I'll tilt the paper a bit just so you can see. Now just leave it. obviously well enough. And then you have an x value, which unfortunately can't really be visible, so I'll write it up here so you can see where the arrow's gone. X equals 4.77. Right then, all that's left is to briefly recap. The three laws of logs are log a plus log b equals log ab, log a minus log b is log a over b, log m to the x is x log m. Then you've got the n equals ax, which is equivalent to x equals log an. Then we've taken a question of 3 to the power 2x minus 5 equals 7, logged it and then simplified it, or kept expanding the brackets until there's no more, and then we've divided the whole lot by log 10 3, and we have an answer of 4.77. Thank you.